everyone, there's the bird coming. Okay, do you see it? The bird is behind that thing. Okay, you see it? Come on back. Is she eating?
Eating inside the bowl.
Yeah, we're so happy. Shh.
Can't make any sounds. The bird just flew away.
We're so scary, the square.
The squirrel's gonna eat this baby.
The bird. Okay, show.
We're going to that.
I'm so scared. Look, the squirrel's coming.
Oh, there's a bird.
Hi everyone, this is the square and the bird eating.
Yes.
Oh, the bird's actually eating. You guys can't see, but
Yeah.
look, the squirrel's gonna eat. Hey,
Drink in the water.
don't drink stinky water. The square is eating?
No.
Yes.
Yes. Stop. Sorry.
That was so close.
No, you scared him away.
Yeah. Sorry. Yes. Is she done eating maybe? Or is she hiding? The bird is eating? Yeah. We are so happy the bird and the squirrel eat our food. And stinky
The birds
water.
only eat a little bit.
Yeah, the bird, come on, eat more.
I don't think
Drink stinky water. They drink stinky.
Shh, be quiet.
It's only bird. Yes, this flying. We have so many birds coming down.
Look, 3.
So many. Show the bird. Where's the show? Do we see? Stay here. You're showing the bird. Come on, where's the bird? Showing the bird. Where's the bird? Oh, you see? The bird is running.
Yep.
The squirrel is laying on his tummy. So funny.
Yeah, I know.
I'm gonna try to go closer, maybe.
Yeah.
Shh.
No, come back. She will come back eating.
So we'll come back.
Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe in the comments and tell us if it's cool.
Yeah.
See the
Bye.